So exciting times. QuickBooks have announced a brand new suite. Well, it's kind of QuickBooks, but it's more than QuickBooks. Let me get to what I mean by that. And there is a whole new SKU, a whole new opportunity, a whole new version of QuickBooks at the very top. And we're really excited to see exactly the first glimpses of it, see what it looks like, and see if it's going to be what we think it's going to be. This is exciting. Can't wait to have a look at it. Let's get straight into this one. Let's not mess around, and let's see exactly what the Intuit Enterprise Suite has in store for us. Hello, my name is Aaron Patrick. I am a chartered accountant, a certified UK trainer, a fancy new logo, that QuickBooks chap on the internet, head of accounts here at Bookkeeping, and your double award winner. That's right, I am a digital disruptor for 2024, and also the hero behind the Heroes Award by QuickBooks themselves. And don't forget, I'm also your friendly podcaster who goes live each and every Monday morning for Ask the Accountant. Now, in today's video, we're talking all about the world of Intuit Connect. Okay, so let's look straight into what this Intuit Enterprise Suite is. And we're going to be looking at basically what was coming. And to do that, we're going to be looking at Intuit Connect 2024 and the announcements that were made.
Called Keystone Construction. They drive about $25 million Intuit Enterprise Suite. They're using the entire suite. So bill pay, invoicing, payroll, HR, advanced accounting, and at the same time, it can come with its own set of challenges. So
set the premise of what this talks about. They've created a company that is using the Intuit Enterprise Suite, or Intuit Enterprise Suite, which ranges from using the advanced accounting features, so QuickBooks Online, payroll, HR, MailChimp, everything's all going to be rolled into one. Bill payments, you name it, they want to be using the whole suite. So let's see exactly how this works.
Intuit Enterprise Suite makes serving multi-entity companies a breeze with our real-time multi-entity dashboard. Here you can manage your clients and all of their business entities at the individual or at the aggregate level in one place.
Nice. So the idea here is it's very similar to QuickBooks Online Accountants. For all those accountants out there, we've seen this many a time. Well, the idea is while you're in your QuickBooks dashboard, or Intuit Enterprise Suite as it's called now, you get to go to all companies and you get to go down from here, which means that because you can switch between the companies, what they're going to be showing us is how multi-entity accounting is going to work really well in this platform. Let's have a look.
This dashboard will actually soon also pull critical data from across Keystone entities, Intuit products, and third-party apps for a holistic view of their profitability and.
So even for someone like ourselves as a group, we're in a group situation at Bookkeeping. We've got our main Bookkeeping and we've got an accounting arm, we've got IT arm and all sorts of things. The idea that we could bring in all of our cash balance into one report, amazing. The fact that we can look at our profit and loss looking at the whole group, amazing. This to me is going to be really powerful, where we can add journal entries to the whole group. We can see the organization chart, manage users, all from this one dashboard. This is really, really powerful for even a small company like ours.
Operations. In this view, you can see your overall client's cash flow, profit and loss, balance sheet, or any other important business data in this customizable dashboard. When your clients ask you about the profitability for a specific company or their cash flow for the portfolio group as a whole, both answers are at your fingertips. Now, let's look at allocating transactions across entities, which I know is a major pain point today. You and your teams can also now work across your clients' businesses all in one place. Before, when you got a bill, you had to post expenses to each separate entity one by one. You've told us that keeping all the due-tos and due-froms between entities clean and reconciled is a major pain point. Now, with this view, You can use a single journal entry to allocate transactions across separate businesses, accessing every company from the same screen, saving a ton of time, and reducing potential mistakes.
I think this is a huge, just looking at what's here. Now, honestly, this is a huge deal, really, bringing this all in. The idea that we can kind of do multi-company transactions like we've got here, we've got all the different companies, the account, descriptions, everything all there. For the UK, we've got to start thinking about VAT, how that works. Is it a group structure? Is it not? So there's going to be elements like that from a VAT point of view. But this idea of just putting the date in, putting one intercompany transaction in would be brilliant.
Potential mistakes. When we show this view, when we show this feature to our Intuit Enterprise Suite customers, they get very excited. They tell us this functionality alone could save them days of work every month.
Yep.
And coming soon, based on your feedback, we're actually accelerating the shipment of an improvement to this feature where now you'll be able to allocate expenses from the bills themselves for all related businesses, and will automate all the due froms and due tos for you.
Nice, nice. So the idea is you post a bill from one entity, you explain what company it relates to, and then it will then magically feed itself into the other company. Absolutely love it. Makes intercompany charges an absolute breeze.
Third feature I want to highlight. Not only does the suite support multiple entities, but it also supports multiple dimensions. Let's take a look at what that means. For one of our clients' entities, in this case, it's called Rising Building. We'll start with the basic profit and loss report. We know it's valuable when you can streamline your client's chart of accounts and analyze businesses and performance by dimensions. And now with Intuit Enterprise Suite, you can slice profitability data by up to 20 different custom dimensions. What does it mean? Well, a company like Rising Building, for example, can now compare performance across their residential versus their commercial positions, or across their LA or San Francisco offices.
So basically class and locations being taken to completely the new level. Loving this. They're calling it dimensions as opposed to classes, locations or anything like that. But this is going to give a lot of reporting options. I mean, for us as an accounting firm, right? Well, what if we want to look at what our accounting division's doing against our IT division and how would that work? What about locations? What about if we're looking at cost centers and what cost centers are going to be right for us and which one we should be looking to maybe downsize or increase with as we look to expand and get more accountants within our portfolio? How do we look at those and how do we bring them into play? This is going to be really, really powerful for that.
Or imagine you're a nonprofit client, you have a nonprofit client, and you need to granularly track their financials for their donor audits. Now it's possible. These granular analyses are now easy to do and will save you hours every week. But we're not stopping here. Coming soon, you and your clients will be able to centrally control dimensions as well as chart of accounts for all related companies.
Nice.
And multi-entity and multi-dimensions are just great examples of the types of enterprise-level capability we're building into the suite, as well as the automation. We're also continuing to invest heavily in AI-powered experiences and industry customization to help customize the suite more to meet your needs. Let's take a look at how faster data movement, automated workflows, and the richer insights all come together for Rising to help improve the profitability of their projects. To start, we offer 10 new construction-specific reports in the suite, the ability to do change order management as the project is ongoing, and we've introduced new roles like the project manager role. We've also enhanced the industry-specific integrations with partners like Notify and BigTime. As for managing the project as it's ongoing, you can see an overview of the profitability, you can dig into the estimated versus actual income, and you can see the hourly labor costs along with other project costs, all of which has data flowing in across payroll, time tracking, payments, and bill pay. Then, as your project is progressing, our new AI profitability monitoring helps alert you to projects that may be trending off track. And our new root cause analysis helps you diagnose why. For example, it could be due to higher than anticipated labor costs, and you're gonna know this as it's actually happening, not weeks later because of the data connectivity across the suite. This isn't just insight, this is foresight.
Excellent. So the idea then is using that ability to bring both insight and foresight there. I think that's going to be brilliant. Fantastic. I think there's been so much there to get excited by. Now, this is our first little idea of it, first little look at it. But the idea there is that there is going to be a whole product, whole suite that we can use for multi-entity products. And I think we need to know pricing, we need to know information like that to fully understand exactly what's there. But I'm excited for it.
That a company's growth, the tools that got you here, won't take you to the next level. You want line of sight across your business, but your team has to manually pull data across systems. This impacts monitoring and root cause analysis. You can see which projects are on track or at risk, so you payments with AI-powered automated reminders to get paid up to 45% faster. As bills come in, Enterprise Suite automatically generates a pre-filled bill to pay your vendors and contractors. Streamline your accounts payable workflow with custom roles and approvals for each step in the process. You can even schedule bill payments in advance.
To track different client events, or nonprofits to track grants and programs. For project profitability tracking, the suite provides estimates versus actuals, work in progress, and other project-based reports.
There are new reports of the project.
It also provides AI-generated Project 360 insights to help your projects stay within budget. Each analysis comes with a data report, allowing you to do your own deep dive. To streamline your project management and avoid manual workarounds, Intuit Enterprise Suite supports change orders with client approval workflows, so the project estimates are updated easily to track the latest actuals versus estimates throughout the project lifecycle.
So introducing change orders as well, loving that.
Intuit Enterprise Suite, your time tracking, payroll, HR, and project financials are all in one platform. Employees can submit their time from anywhere for your approval. The payroll costs are then seamlessly pushed to your projects, so you always have an accurate view of your project profitability. The connected workflows eliminate double entry across systems, saving you time and reducing errors. Projects in the suite have robust accounts receivable and accounts payable functionalities, so you can easily manage your cash flow. For incoming payments, you can streamline accounts receivable and payment tracking with QuickBooks Payments to get paid up to 4 times faster. Your transactions are auto-reconciled in your books, meaning less manual matching at month's end. As you receive vendor invoices, you can schedule bill payment directly from the suite based on your cash flow needs without worrying about missing a deadline. With Intuit Enterprise Suite, you can streamline project workflows across your client base, increasing your firm's productivity, and leverage Dimensions to deliver the insights needed to be their trusted advisor.
Entire business on Intuit Enterprise Suite. This includes both parent and child business aligned as well. The user experience in QuickBooks Online Accountant is
So straight away we get to see a lot more information here. Look, we got this multi-entity tab that we're going to look into.
You can also see reminders for banking, payroll, and tax.
So when you go into multi-entity, you see what the parent company and which is below them. So from an accounting point of view, we get to see all those different parents and all those different accounts that are there. Loving that.
Returns for each business. As your clients on Intuit Enterprise Suite grow and add new child businesses, it'll be easy for you and your staff to help them continue to scale.
I'm really excited. I can't wait to have a play around, to test it, to give the feedback, and to let you guys know exactly what it is. That banking update will be absolutely huge. And there we have it. There is an update into the future of what QuickBooks looks like. And I think some of it is here a lot sooner than we think. If you don't know already, in the UK, we now have the opportunity to sign up for the Intuit beta. So make sure you get yourself involved in that and make sure that you like, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. I've told you a million times, this is now your chance. Get that subscribe button hit because we have some big updates coming into the world of QuickBooks. And I want to make sure that you are the first to know about it. My name's Aaron Patrick. This video has been an absolute pleasure as always, and I will see you in the next video. Now let's get excited about looking at the other videos.
Hello and welcome to this new scene.
Hello and welcome to this video.
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 Hello and welcome to this video. Right, let's get it set. Let's do this.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yes, I'm aware we go live every Monday.
The next generation is about everyone else that missed it.
Yeah. So current. All right, you've told us what you love about the industry, but what would you change about the industry?
Where do I start?
During that period of time, where did everyone turn to? Their accountant, right? Their advisors, their bookkeeper. And you all did phenomenal work for small business.